Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert a LinkedIn logo in Word. This is a quick and useful skill, especially when you're creating professional documents like resumes, business proposals, or presentation materials where you want to include social media branding. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Once you have your document ready, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see the ribbon menu with various tabs. Click on Insert. This tab is where you'll find all the tools for adding different elements to your document, from images to shapes to tables. After clicking Insert, look for the Pictures option in the toolbar. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Online Pictures. This feature is particularly handy because it allows you to search for images directly from the web without having to download them to your device first. You'll notice a search window pop up on your screen. Now you'll need to wait a moment while the search interface loads. This shouldn't take long, but it's important to let it fully load so you can access the entire image library. During this brief loading period, the system is connecting to Microsoft's image database, which includes a vast collection of stock photos and logos. Once the search interface is fully loaded, you'll see a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type LinkedIn logo and hit Enter. The system will then display a variety of LinkedIn logo options for you to choose from. You'll see different styles, sizes, and variations of the official LinkedIn branding. Browse through the results and choose the logo that best fits your document's style and purpose. Once you've found the perfect one, click on it to select it. You'll notice the logo gets highlighted with a border indicating it's been selected. Finally, look for the Insert button, usually located at the bottom right of the image selection window. Click on Insert, and just like that, the LinkedIn logo will appear in your Word document. You can now resize it by clicking and dragging the corners, or move it around to position it exactly where you want it on your page. And that's it. You've successfully added a LinkedIn logo to your Word document, giving it that professional touch. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.